with you. Tell me about the genesis of the M33. What was under the hood in getting this thing to market?
This will replace the M32 in our lineup. For us to come out just a couple of years later with a new version called the M33 represents some major improvements that we have been developing, and we wanted to showcase it in this product. Aside from all of the functionality with BluOS and all of the inputs, unlike a power node that has three inputs, this one has almost unlimited inputs. Using modular design construction, there'll be some additional inputs that can be added down the road if you have such a need for those. But I would say one of the most intriguing features of this is a new amplification technology we're using called Eigentakt. And all I can say is that we are just blown away by the performance of this amplifier. It is really spectacular, and it's something that I think all of your listeners will want to be able to take a listen to at some point. It just has so much transparency, so much naturalness, so dynamic. It's just, it's hard to think of superlatives for this thing. It's so right. It's just really a joy to listen to.